Want to synchronize a script with the fireTEK system to GPS? You can do that across multiple modules. For the GPS function to work, it needs to be able to receive a GPS signal. We're currently inside a metal building here, so I've set this module and my phone here in the window. This app on my phone is a GPS app showing the GPS satellites and connections here in the window. And here it's giving me the time from the GPS satellites. Right now at universal time code 00 hours 31 minutes and 53 seconds. Now what we're going to do in this video is show how to set the module to a GPS start time with both a computer application and with a remote.
What we have here is the Fireworks Show Designer software from fireTEK. And in this we have just a simple script used for this demo here. We've connected the fireTEK FTH48FX module to the computer with the USB cable. There's nothing special about this script. We just threw a handful of things in here to create an example. Once the module is connected, we're going to go to Test and Run, Auto Detect Interfaces. It's identified the interface here. Now we're going to select Load Project. We're going to select this GPS test project, which is the script for this demo. It's telling us that it didn't associate an audio file with that project because there isn't an audio file associated with this project. So we hit no. Successfully open the data for the one interface. Now we're going to send the project to the interface, but before we do that, first we're going to delete the programming. So it deleted the programming from the module, and I can see that on the screen as well of the module. Now we're going to send this new project to the interface or to the module, but before we do that we're going to select Set Starting Time. In doing so, this window here pops up. Now the time that we select here is in hours, minutes, and seconds. And for a reference here, this is what we're going to use, is this UTC or Coordinated Universal Time, same as Greenwich Mean Time. Now I'm going to select a time here. It's saying, it's 56, so we're going to just select right at hour 1 here. That should give us time to get this set up. So if I go here, I'm going to go 01. I'm actually going to go 5 minutes after, just to make sure I get time to set the camera up, and select OK. And it says successfully sent program to interface. And I can see PRG on the screen of the module. So now I'm going to go ahead and close this, and we'll set up the other camera.
Okay, we have the module on the phone here in the window. You can see on the phone there that we're 59 minutes and 9 seconds of UTC time. On the module here, I started this up in master mode, and you can see here it went into time to start 1 hour 5 minutes 0 seconds. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and with the green button here on the module, I'm going to put that into test, and then long hold of the green button, we'll put it into armed. Now it's telling me that none of the rails are connected, which they aren't. We're just going to be able to see this go into play once it reaches the GPS time of 1 hour and 5 minutes. So we'll come back here in a couple minutes. While we're waiting here, what I might show here is it's nice to have an app on your phone. This app here right now, for the time here, it shows all zeros or little information because it doesn't have a GPS signal. I'm in the other corner here in this metal building. Now as we take this over to the window here where the module is, you'll see it will receive the GPS signal there and it lights up with the information. So again, in order for this to function, it needs to be able to receive the GPS signal. Okay, so we're starting to count down here, and what you'll see here on the screen is it now is counting down to the start time. And what will happen here is that once it reaches the start time, it will go from armed into play. There we go, this is done into play, and now it is playing the script. Again, there's nothing connected here. Now at any time here, you could hit the back button on the module to pause it or to stop it. So you have control of that even while it's in the arm state or playing, if you had to stop the script for any reason. Let's say you had a script loaded and you wanted to use GPS. Well, connected to the remote, you can adjust the start time of the GPS feature. And once it's got into test and connected, and what we have here is we've got this module here. It's got a program loaded into it. We've got a network created here with this remote of just this one module. And if we select 5 here, we have the option to set time zone. Now we're just going to leave it at 0 and not mess with that right now. We're going to use the UTC time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 1 hour and 10 minutes here. So I'll hold down 5 here, hit 2, set start time, not 3, and we're going to go 1 hour, 10 minutes. Actually, we're going to go 11 minutes here to make sure I have enough time, and hold this down to OK. Now it's telling us that we have some faults here because we don't have rails attached. You'll see here now on the module that time has been transferred over to the module, 1 hour and 11 minutes. We're going to hold down button here in the module. It's going to be a long hold because we have some faults because we don't have any rails connected. And it's going to go into ARM. You can see the modules flashing here. Time to start, 1 hour, 11 minutes. And now it's gone down into the last minute. It's starting to count down. "30 seconds. 10 seconds. And it's gone into play. And now it's will be playing the script.